Today I'm just showing you how I had planted some of this indoor plants, and now I'm finna transfer to the garden. And one of them is like the cucumber. Some of them I planted, I had bought, like this one right here, I had bought from the store. It's a different kind of cucumber. Here's another cucumber plant that I'm planting today. And as you can see, I planted this back in March the 6th. I'm just now getting it in my garden. I decided to plant some pumpkin early, and so I haven't planted this in a good while, but I'm going to go ahead and try and see if I can get them to get going. This right here is the crookneck squash that I planted indoors. And by the way, as I said in the last video, these seeds that I planted are from Dollar Tree. Winter squash, I planted them indoor. These are the garden bean squash that I talked about how I was planting, and look how pretty they turned out. They all from Dollar Tree. Corn is another thing I had planted, and I got so many rows of that. So you can see my ground is broke. The guy came by to go ahead and break the ground. So right now I'm trying to get it in the ground. These are the watermelon plants that I did buy from the store. And they call sugar baby watermelon. And these are the watermelons that I had planted indoor. Right here, I bought this from the store. It's a tomato plant that I'm fitting to go ahead and plant today. These are peppers that I'm going to plant. And this is bell pepper right here. I'm not sure how these plants is going to work out, but hopefully they'll all be successful. The onions right here, I'm going to be planting this. These are the red good old onions. I'm watching